Have you ever had a job where you did nothing for years and nobody found out? I once worked at a Kmart where everybody forgot I existed. I started working there right before Christmas during my senior year of high school. I use the term working lightly because I was only scheduled for 1 or 2 days a week, only for 5 or 6 hours a night. I had two main functions. Get the carts and straighten up the season. All right by the carts. Later, Kmart decided to turn some of their stores into Big K, which was meant to compete with Super Walmart, offering a combination of home goods and groceries. The renovation effort was massive. An entirely new team of managers came in to deal exclusively with the remodeling of the store with their own set of employees. One of the first things they took over was the entryway into the store, where the seasonal aisle and the carts were located. For a little while, I tried to join them. I helped get carts and put them in the new area outside the front entrance where they were stored. And when they were all grabbing tables and shelves and other stuff that had to be lugged around, I would belatedly join in and walk the objects back and forth wherever they were supposed to go. They started giving me weird looks and shutting me out. I mean, literally shutting me out, standing in front of me and blocking me during group meetings, avoiding me during breaks, that kind of thing. After a couple weeks,